Garlic is a popular spice used in many types of foods worldwide. It's got a pretty strong smell and taste, but it also offers many helpful health benefits. People have been using garlic for ages to help with health issues like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and infections. Additionally, garlic contains several essential vitamins and minerals that are important for our bodies. In this video, we will look at some of the powerful benefits of garlic and why you might want to eat more of it. Stick around till the end because you'll be surprised by some of the benefits we'll cover. Number 1. Enhances the immune system. Garlic is a natural immune booster, whether you eat it raw or take it as a supplement. It is a powerful fighter against microorganisms, fungi, and bacteria. Garlic is also known for its abundant antioxidants, particularly in 4 key chemical groups: alliin, allyl, cysteine, allyl disulfide, and allicin. These antioxidants play a vital role in safeguarding your cells and promoting overall health. While garlic's effectiveness against the common cold is often mentioned, studies on its benefits against cold and flu viruses are limited. However, a study conducted in 2011 observed 146 participants who were either given a garlic supplement containing allicin or a placebo every day for 12 weeks. The study found that regular garlic consumption had a significant positive impact on the frequency, duration, and severity of cold symptoms, providing strong evidence for its immune-boosting effects. Number 2. Improves skin and hair. Imagine if we could discover a natural solution to counter the effects of aging on our skin and hair. As we grow older, our skin loses elasticity due to the breakdown of collagen, resulting in the appearance of wrinkles. Additionally, hair may gradually thin out and even start to fall. Fortunately, garlic offers a remedy to address both of these concerns. Garlic possesses the ability to protect and preserve collagen in the skin, preventing its deterioration. Its potent antifungal and antibacterial properties also shield the skin from undesirable fungal infections and eczema. Moreover, when garlic is massaged onto the scalp, it has been found to promote hair thickening and reduce hair loss. So, garlic can be a simple and effective solution for maintaining youthful-looking skin and healthy hair. Number 3. Balances blood sugar. Another remarkable benefit of garlic is its ability to balance blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes, maintaining stable blood sugar levels can be a constant challenge. Garlic has been found to regulate glucose released from the liver and increase insulin sensitivity, resulting in better control over blood sugar. Research indicates that consuming garlic can reduce fasting blood sugar levels by up to 6%. It's important to note that while garlic can be beneficial in managing blood sugar, it should not replace any prescribed treatments or recommendations from your doctor. Before we proceed to the next surprising benefit, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic has been recognized for its potential to lower blood pressure, a condition known as hypertension. Research has shown that garlic supports healthy blood pressure by stimulating nitric oxide production, which leads to vasodilation in the circulatory system. A meta-analysis study that examined 20 trials involving 970 participants found that garlic intake resulted in a significant decrease in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure compared to a placebo. This suggests that garlic can be a reliable and effective method for managing hypertension and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. But it's essential to remember that garlic isn't a miracle cure for high blood pressure, and it shouldn't replace the medication or lifestyle changes that your doctor recommends. However, using garlic in addition to your current treatment plan can help. Garlic is safe for most people, and it's easy to include in your diet. Number 5. Detoxifies and supports the liver. Detoxifying your body is an important part of maintaining overall health. Your liver, which plays a key role in detoxification, helps remove harmful substances from your system. To ensure efficient detoxification, your liver goes through 2 phases. In phase 1, your liver breaks down toxins through oxidation, acting as the first line of defense against toxicity. In phase 2, toxins that have been altered in phase 1 are linked to other molecules for excretion. This phase relies on essential nutrients, antioxidants, and protein. Research suggests that garlic contains amino acids and antioxidants that can support the second phase of detoxification. So, by including garlic in your diet, you can help your liver in its detoxification process, promoting optimal cleansing and overall wellness. Number 6. lowers cholesterol levels. Taking care of our hearts involves keeping our cholesterol levels in check. One way to do that is by including garlic in our diet. The key players in garlic's cholesterol-lowering effects are compounds such as allicin, alliin, and allyin, which contain sulfur. These compounds work by inhibiting certain liver enzymes responsible for producing cholesterol. By doing so, garlic helps reduce the overall cholesterol production in the body. Additionally, these compounds may also combat lipid peroxidation, which refers to the degradation of fats that can lead to increased levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and the formation of artery-clogging plaques. Garlic's antioxidants play a role in preventing this process, promoting healthier cholesterol levels. Furthermore, garlic contains compounds that can inhibit platelet aggregation, which is associated with blood clot formation and a higher risk of heart attacks and strokes. By preventing excessive platelet aggregation, garlic helps reduce this risk, thus supporting cardiovascular health. Numerous studies have investigated the effects of garlic on lipid levels, with promising results. Research shows that consuming garlic powder for a period of 4 to 16 weeks can lead to significant reductions in serum cholesterol and triglyceride levels. In some cases, bad cholesterol levels were reduced by 11 to 26%. Number 7. Helps prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic holds the secret to protect your brain from cognitive decline. It contains antioxidants that help fight against the oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to the aging process and related cognitive decline, like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Adding garlic to your diet can support your body's mechanisms that help protect against oxidative damage. The research shows that these antioxidants in garlic can significantly reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of related diseases like Alzheimer's disease, which is the common form of dementia. Additionally, animal studies have shown promising results, indicating that allicin in garlic may help protect against cognitive decline. However, further research is needed to understand its potential effectively in humans. Number 8. Prevents osteoporosis. Garlic has an incredible ability to support our muscles and bones. Back in ancient times, the Greeks and Romans believed that consuming garlic could enhance athletes' physical performance and endurance during long-distance races like marathons. This belief has been backed up by modern research, which has found that taking garlic supplements can significantly improve stamina levels, making it easier for athletes to exert themselves during exercise. Garlic is especially useful for women over the age of 60 or those going through menopause, as it promotes the deposition of calcium salts in bones, which helps maintain strong and healthy bones. Unlike other estrogen variants that may contribute to tumor growth, garlic interacts with estrogen receptors in a positive way, which ultimately lowers the risk of osteoporosis and encourages overall women's health. Number 9. Enhances digestive health. Garlic is known for its ability to enhance digestive well-being. It acts as a prebiotic, which means it provides nourishment and support to the beneficial bacteria in our gut. This is important because these good bacteria, such as bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, play a crucial role in maintaining digestive health. Garlic contains compounds like inulin and fructooligosaccharides, which fuel the growth of these beneficial bacteria. By promoting the development of these bacteria, garlic helps maintain a healthy balance in our gut microbiome. This balance is essential for proper digestion and overall gut health. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties are beneficial for managing gut inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the gut can lead to conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, which can cause discomfort and disrupt digestive function. By reducing gut inflammation, garlic contributes to promoting digestive health and may help manage these inflammatory conditions. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.